Deleting a directory recursively means deleting the directory along with all files and subdirectories inside it. For this, we use the rm command with the lowercase r option. The basic syntax is rm space -r space directory name. Let us see an example. Open the terminal. Now, list the contents of the current directory using ls command. In the output, we have a directory named projects. List the content of the projects directory. The projects directory contains files and subdirectories. We are going to delete the projects directory and everything inside it. rm space -r space projects. It means remove recursively projects directory. Press enter. When the command is successful, Linux normally does not display any message. List the contents of the current directory using ls command. The projects directory is no longer listed. The directory, along with all files and subdirectories inside it, has been deleted. Remember that remove command with recursive option permanently deletes the directory and everything inside it. That is how you delete directories recursively in Linux. Thank you for watching. Please like the video and subscribe to our channel for more Linux tutorials.